David, I'm up in Edmond, and kind of like what the other guys have, the road's pretty well dry. Just some dry blowing snow, which is real powdery. It's not sticking. So right now, no traffic problem. Back to you.
Okay. All right. Great job there, Hank. He's coming up now on 2nd Street and I-35 in Edmond. Okay, let's go back to the...
Road flakes are still pretty decent. Back to you, David.
Okay, there you go. So, again, slick spots, yes, but you can travel. You got to get out and about. Just take it slow. Remember, the snow will not last all evening, but it's going to go on a while longer. The snow running from Oklahoma to the Great Lakes. Notice what's happening in western Oklahoma now. Nothing. The snow has ended, all right, and it will continue to shove east as the back edge of the snow moves.